let's study what is double circulation. Double circulation means the flow of blood twice through the heart in human being. Or we can say that the circulation of blood in human body is occurring 2 times during a heart cycle. Double circulation consists of 2 circulations. The one is systemic circulation and the other is pulmonary circulation. With the help of this diagrammatic sketch, we can understand what is double circulation and what are these 2 components of the double circulation. The oxygenated blood from the left ventricle is leaving from the heart by the aorta, and the aorta is taking this oxygenated blood to different body parts, the upper and the lower body parts. And here in the different body parts, the oxygen is taken by the tissue and carbon dioxide, the gaseous exchange is taking place in the tissue, and the deoxygenated blood from all body parts, that is the upper body part and lower body parts, are the oxygenated blood is collected by different body parts, and this deoxygenated blood is poured into the right auricle, that is the smaller chamber, through the superior and inferior vena cava. And this particular in this chamber, the deoxygenated blood is coming to the other bigger chamber, that is right ventricle. So this is how the systemic circulation is completed. Now from this chamber, right ventricle, the deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary artery is taken to the lungs for oxygenation. In the lungs, by the exchange of gases, the blood becomes rich in oxygen, and from the lungs the blood is taken to the left auricle through the pulmonary veins. The pulmonary veins are pouring the blood in left auricle, and this oxygenated blood is reaching to the left ventricle, and from left ventricle again this is going on for the systemic circulation. So this is how by the 2 major veins, by the 2 major blood vessels and the lungs, between the heart, lungs, by the 2 major blood vessels, the pulmonary circulation is going on, and simultaneously in the body, between the heart and body parts, and with the help of 2 major blood vessels, the systemic circulation is going on. What is the major difference between these 2 circulations? The systemic circulation is a longer pathway, or the longer circulation, or the bigger cycle, and the pulmonary circulation is the shorter cycle. This you can make out very easily, because in the body, the different body parts is receiving oxygenated blood, and the distance between the heart and the farthest part of the body, that is the toe, is very it's high, or is very long as compared to the distance between the heart and the lungs. So the pulmonary circulation, which is taking place between a part of heart and the lungs, is a shorter cycle, but the systemic circulation, which is taking place between the heart and the all body parts, is longer cycle. So this is what a double circulation happens in the human body. And both the circulations, that is systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation, these 2 circulations are occurring in a rhythmic manner in the body, one after the other. Therefore this completing a cardiac cycle or heart cycle, because the term cardiac refers to heart. Therefore together these 2 cycles are forming a heart cycle, and this is referring to double circulation.